Alright, welcome back to another epic Python tutorial on my channel. Today we are going to be looking at Python dictionaries. So let's start off by creating a Python dictionary. So in Python we create a dictionary just like this, enclosed between curly braces. And then we got key 1, value 1, key 2, and value 2, key 3, and value 3. So as you can see here that each item, there are multiple items. There are 3 items in this dictionary separated by commas, as you can see here, and each item has 2 values. I mean, it's a pair that has 2 values. It has a key and a value. So in Python, the first place of this is called the key, and the second place is called the value. So this is a key and the value, and this all goes by pairs. It's pretty much like a normal real dictionary that has words and then definitions. So you could put here a word like dog and then give a definition here like an animal or something like that. So now I'm going to show you a practical example of how do we make a dictionary. So let's say I'm creating a dictionaries of all my friends, and I'm going to give my first friend the name Jake, and the value steals my food, and the second value is again going to be a pair of my friend's name Jane, and I think the action, which is picks her nose. And then let's make a third value, Mike, and never let me finish my homework. So I'm just really kidding over here. My friends are really good. They don't do this. I'm just kidding. They don't steal my food. They don't pick their nose, and they let me finish my homework. Yes, obviously. Just for an example. So if I just print friends over here, there we go. So now let's say, let's get on to what's the benefit of a dictionary. So let's say I want to access values, okay? I want to access keys. So I am going to print the variable. This is obviously a variable called friends, and it has the data type of a dictionary, as I explained in my previous tutorials. So now I'm going to write friends, which is obviously this, and it has the values of these dictionary items. And if I put in a key or one of my friends' names like Jake, I'm gonna get in the value of his action. So if I put Mike never let me finish my homework, and if I put Jane picks her nose. So as you can see, if I put the variable name, which is friends, and then give it the key, it is going to give me the value. But let's say if I put in a key that is not here, like Jack, key error Jack, because it's not existing in this dictionary. But let's say I want to put in the action, okay, like steals my food. That is the action of Jake. But then if I enter. This only works for the key and not for the value. So now let's say I want to update an item. So let's say Jane, she stops picking her nose and then she starts drinking water, okay? Drinking too much water, let's say, for example. So now, let's say I want to change her actions right now because she stopped picking her nose and started drinking too much water. So then I could do like this, friends, and enter my friend's name, which is the key, Jane, and then drinks too much water. And there we go, we have successfully updated the value. So now if I print friends, oh my god, I need to put the parenthesis, I just forgot that. And if I print this over here, as you can see, it has updated the value over here. Previously it was picks her nose, and then now it's updated to the new value, drinks too much water. And let me make something clear over here. Dictionaries are mutable, which means that you can change the values that are inside it without creating the whole dictionary from scratch. And it is not like tuples or anything else which is immutable, like I explained in the previous tutorial. So just let me pretty quick explain a rule over here. So in Python, the key of a dictionary can only be an immutable data object. It cannot be a mutable one, and strings are immutable, which means you cannot update strings. I explained all this in a previous tutorial, in the previous tutorial, so you can go and check that out if you didn't watch that. But so the key has to be an immutable data object, but the value can be of any data type. Guys, what if I had another friend? What if I had another friend other than Jake, Jan, and Mike? Yep, I could add that friend over here. So let's say I had a friend called Henry. So I'm going to be adding Henry. So I'm going to be using this same friends variable, which contains a data type of a dictionary, and say Henry, my best friend that has no action. So as you can see, I have added a new friend to the existing dictionary friends. So as you can see, I have added Henry, which is my best friend that has no action. Now let's say I quarreled with Mike, okay, because he didn't let me finish his homework. He didn't let me finish my homework. So I quarreled with him, and then we were not so friendly as we used to be. So I kind of want to remove him from my dictionary. So because he's not my friend anymore, so he started beef with me, so I just want to remove him. So what will I be doing is del friends, the dictionary, and then I will be putting Mike over here. Oh, I forgot the capital. He had his M as a capital. And now if we print friends, if you can see, Mike is no more there. He's just disappeared. So if I want to replace Mike with someone else, I could delete Mike, okay, and then I could put in my other friend's value. And also, if I wanted, I could delete the whole dictionary. So then I will delete the whole friends dictionary. So if I do this, and if I print friends, as you can see, there is no friends is not defined since I deleted the whole dictionary, including all my friends. So let's just go here back and create the friends dictionary again. And yep, that's the operations that you can do with a dictionary. That's it for today, guys. I told you guys how to create a dictionary for yourselves, and how to do operations on them, such as access values, update values, add values, and remove values. And I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye. Support my channel by hitting the subscribe button, and watch any previous videos if you haven't watched them. Go ahead. See ya.